Hello and welcome back. This is a tutorial on how to make a drawstring bag. You'll need 2 pieces of fabric, 19 inches by 7 inches. One will be your main design fabric and the other will be the lining. You'll also need 2 pieces of ribbon, both 23 inches long. Put right sides together of the fabric and pin down the shorter edges. You'll need to sew along the edges at 1/2 inch seam allowance and remember to backstitch. When you've done both sides, they will need to be pressed with the seams lying open. Now to line the bag up, make sure the 2 right sides of the fabric line up with each other and the lining lines up together as well. Make sure the seams are together and then pin them into place so they don't move around. Measure 3 centimeters down from the seam and pin or mark it with some tailor's chalk. Now sew down from the 3 centimeter mark towards the bottom of the bag. Remember to backstitch at the beginning and the end. Also clip the corners off, but make sure you don't cut your threads where you've just sewn. Now turn the bag through to the right side through one of the holes. Then poke out the corners with your scissors, but be careful, don't poke too hard because otherwise you'll create a small hole. Then slip the lining inside and the bag will need a press with the iron. Now measure 3 centimeters down from the top edge and pin it so you have a rough guide where to sew. You will sew along the top edge and then again along the 3 centimeter line where you've just pinned. Now it's time to add the ribbon, so take a safety pin and put it through one end of one ribbon and thread the ribbon all the way round the tunnel that you've just created, and do it again for the other side. And there you have your finished drawstring bag. I hope you found the video useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!